Are you currently at home or maybe at your office? There are some visible light around you, but do you have your body sunscreen? Because yes, you do need a sunscreen for your body. Bonjour, hello, salut, coucou, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher for quite some time, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. And today's video, it's basically the sort of the part 2 of my previous video, which is going to be about more body sunscreen, but those one are going to be turned on when you will be mostly indoors, so wherever you are actually, I don't know, in your office for example, or at home. As long as you have visible light from the outside, it means that you will have UVA, unless you know that your glasses are treated with a filter against UVA. Most likely you will need a damn sunscreen. This is so important. I'm going to insert right now a picture of my contact lenses. You will be like, what is he talking about? Is he insane today? I am a bit insane today, but anyway, the contact lenses that I wear are the new one from Acuvue. They are the transition one, and those one are UV sensitive. So when they are exposed to the UV, they are going to turn into a sort of deep violet color, deep purple color maybe. Violet is in French anyway, so purple. And as you can see, when I leave them close to my windows, they are like very purpley, high UV. So yes, you do need a sunscreen also on your body. So important, especially for the future. So I have basically divided in, I would say, 2 categories. The one that are mostly closer to sort of hardcore-ish sunscreen. I don't know the UVA protection, so this is why they have end up in this video. But if you know that you will spend a little bit of time outside, I don't know, let me give you an example. You need to walk your dog. It is in the morning or maybe mid-afternoon around 4, not like at noon at peak sun, and you will be outside maybe for 30 minutes. You can use those two. Both of them are European. So the first one is French. This is from Uriage. This is, what is it? The fragrance-free spray, very high protection. So this one, first thing first, no white cast. Yes. SPF 50 plus, of course. You will never see me review an SPF under SPF 50 plus. Something that you need to remember, even with an SPF of 50, it is obviously better than an SPF of 30, but the less UV, especially UVB that goes into your skin, the better, really the better. So this one, let me find the UV filters. So the filters about this bad boy right here, it's Uvenola Plus, which is a UVA type 1, mainly absorbent, but also a little bit of the UVA type 2. Then we have Octinoxate, which is mainly a UVB absorbent, another UVB absorbent, which is Uvenol T150, an excellent one. Then Octisalat, another UVB absorbent, and the last one is Tinarzol S, which is a broad spectrum organic filters. This one also, I mean, this one is absolutely lovely. So the combination of filters is actually quite good because it starts with Uvenola Plus. I'm always hoping that the UVA protection is quite high. Uriage doesn't disclose it, so I cannot tell you. What I can tell you though, if you compare it to the La Roche-Posay one, the La Roche-Posay one does set a little bit better than this one. This one is targeted for those of you who have a little bit dry skin on the body. Like I have said, it is quite good. It can transfer a little bit on the clothes, but not that much. Another one that is way more elegant than this one is the Eucerin, I don't know how to say this brand. This one, the new one. Oh god, I have an itchy, never mind. This is the Sensitive Protect, the SPF 50 plus. What can I tell you? This one is for France, so everything is written in French. Sorry, even though this is not a French brand. It has like a dry touch, which is actually quite true. The texture is quite interesting. This one is really like a fluid, basically. Very fluid, so you need a ton of it, by the way. This one is a milk version that is very elegant, actually. Very pleasant, very silky on the skin, and it sets, which I love. It has also a milk perfume, but barely there. For the body, it's fine. For the face, it's always a bit bothering. I am not a big fan of it. No white cast, like 0. In terms of filters, the filtering system is also quite good. So the first one is a UVB absorbent. This is Homo Salat. Then we have avobenzone, which is a UVA absorbent that needs to be stabilized. Guess what? It is stabilized by the next one, which is Tinosorb S, a broad organic filter that absorb UVB, UV type 2 and UVA type 1. Then we have 2 UVB absorbent, Octisalat and Uvinol T150, lovely. Then we have Uvinol A+, so again redundancy for UVA, which is excellent. And the last one is a UVB absorbent that is soluble in water, that is not that often found. Actually, you find it quite often with Eucerin, which is phenyl benzimidazole sulfonic acid. I still need to read this one because ooh la la, so long. And well, basically that's it. So this one does set. If you're planning to use this one, what I would do if I were you, you basically undress, be naked at your home, you apply it on your forearms, for example, on your legs, if you are wearing shorts or something like that. And basically you wait, also you décolleté, by the way. It is also an excellent one for the neck, before I forgot. And then you are going to wait maybe 5 minutes to let it set, but it does set pretty quickly. It does have a little tininess of greasiness, but barely there. You can also use it on the top of your hands. This is, I do find for a Ukraine sunscreen, very elegant. Like I have said, if you also want to use it on your face and you have no problem with those filters and with alcohol, you can try this one. It doesn't have a strong smell of alcohol. I cannot tell you the concentration, but I guess this is fine for most people. Anyway, so the other one, and I would say quite fast about them, they are definitely the one that are the most elegant for sure. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunscreen. I've already talked about them on my channel. They are all Asian, very elegant. So the first one that is probably the most elegant, especially for the body, because it perfectly sets. It is absolutely not greasy, 100% transparent. It is not going to transfer on your clothes on an everyday basis. For the body, this is absolutely perfection. So this is this one, the Biore UV, the Athleism, the Skin Protect Essence SPF 50+ PA rating of 4+. So in terms of filter, let me see. This is Octinoxate, Uvinol T150, both of them are UVB absorbent, and then Uvinol A+, excellent UVA type 1 filters mainly, and the last one is the Tinosorb S. I do not believe that those one have a super high UVA absorbance. This is still a PA rating of 4+. So I would not recommend to wear those one if you are going to spend a lot of time outside. The other one that is almost as elegant as this one, but it's a little bit more moisturizing, but I want to feature it on my channel because it is also less expensive in general. It's simply this one. You get with this one how much? 85 grams, so it's quite good actually to use it like on your arms, also the top of your hands. This is simply the Biore UV, the Water Essence, the Aqua Rich, very famous. Both of them are quite similar. I do prefer the Essence if I have the choice. Those two are my, I would say, go-to for my arms when I'm mostly at home. Another one that I want to feature, especially for those of you who you already have some hyperpigmentation on your body, you want to have a little bit more bouginess to treat it. Guess what? The Anessa, the whitening UV sunscreen gel. I know this is a little bit expensive, still for the price you get 90 grams. Very elegant, against not really sticky. It is a little bit moisturizing, I have to say, but not too much. But if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation on your body and when you are mostly at home, this is the one to choose. And then when you will be outside, you check my previous video and you go for hardcore. Anyway, very elegant, and this one has tranexamic acid. Check my videos about Anessa if you want to have the full details about the UV filters. What you can also do if you are as crazy as me, or I'm thinking about those of you who you have hyperpigmentation on your décolleté, for example, you apply this one first, and before you leave the house to basically soak up the sun, you can use a hardcore sunscreen on top. So like this, you have the beautiful tranexamic acid, and on top a super heavy duty UVA protection. Okay, the last two are, let me grab them, are from Klairs. I mean, how many times I have talked about this one? This is the Klairs, the Soft Airy UV Essence, only 2 filters, Uvinol A+, Uvinol T150. Is it optimal? No, because I do believe that you have a decrease of absorption of UVA type 2, but so elegant. And what I love the most about this one, even more than the dupe, which is the one from Purito, the Unscented Sun, is that this one has zero stickiness. So therefore it is hydrating, but at the same time it is not sticky. This is my go-to sunscreen, especially for my hands. I also use it quite often as my moisturizer. So for example, when I will be mostly at home, I do want to have a very natural finish, very elegant on my face. I use the Soft Airy UV Essence as a first layer. I do use quite a lot of it, but usually I slightly under apply it, and then I'm going, for example, to use the Biore UV, the Athleism, and it is perfection. I also like to do this because most likely in this one the concentration of UV Null R Plus is quite high. Maybe this one is a little bit lacking about UVA type 1, so I have the hope that those two would provide me better protection against UVA type 1, but this is very elegant. This one for the body, my god, beautiful, beautiful. And also for your hands, I do use it quite often actually. The last one is for those of you who, again, you are at home, it is really hot, really humid, you do want to have a sunscreen that is still very elegant but also very matte, that is not going to move. To do the new one from Clarins, the Midday Blue UV Shield. So this one has a UV protection of 19. I have asked actually which trend, they are also so lovely. I have an affiliate link, so if you want to help me, you can use this link. And the Soft Airy UV Essence, I think, have a UV protection against 22 or something like that. So what I love about this one, I have to say, for the body mostly, is that it does completely set, matte, and doesn't move much. So this is perfection when you are at home, when it's super hot, you don't want to have something that will sweat. This one is also an excellent option. The other option that I've just showed you that is so elegant is the Athleism. So basically that's it, you know, everything. I am thinking about filming like a proper hardcore but glam, I would say, version of how to wear sunscreen, like a full routine where I basically also use makeup, maybe to show it to you. This is how high maintenance I am. So comment down below and tell me if you want to see this. You know the drill. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, come over here and subscribe. And don't forget the bell, of course, to get the notifications. You can also go and check my Instagram account and do some lives. I have other posts, shorter posts, and etc. posts. My god, my English, so sloppy. And well, voila, that's it. So I will see you next time, and thank you so much for being here. Au revoir.